Hi, everyone. So today we're going to go ahead and work on some vocabulary. And the vocabulary that we want to work on is for our new story. And so we're going to go ahead and look at these words together. Okay. And so when we look at these words, we want to go ahead and do a little movement with these words. So let's look at the first one. The first word is endless. Endless. Let's see what it says about endless. It says, Mr. Brown, our soccer coach, has endless patience and never gets angry. So endless is something that goes on and on. So maybe we'll go endless. Let's do on and on. Endless. Endless. Good job. Then we have a new word. And the next word is, dun, dun, dun. Okay, similar. So the red coat and red sweater are similar. That means they're kind of the same, right? They're both jacket. They both have long sleeves. They both keep you warm. They're both red. So they're similar. So we have endless and we have similar. Very good. Let's look at the next word. The next word says, let's look and see.
Sort. To sort is to place things in groups with other things that are the same in some way.
Very good. So when we sort, we're going to go ahead and say sort, right? We're going to see what is same, what is different. All right. So we have the word similar, sort, and endless. Let's look at the next one. Experiment. The student experiments with a plant to see how fast it will grow. Experiment. For experiment, can we go ahead and do, let's hold it, experiment. Very good. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the next one. And this is a high frequency word, the word come. Remember, C-O-M-E. We will come to New York. And the next one is does. Does this bus go north? So this one is a high frequency word. And our last word is perfect. A sunny day is perfect for a picnic. So perfect, let's go like this. Perfect. Very good. Excellent. All right, let's go ahead and we're going to get ready to write these words now. So let's look and see. We're going to get out our paper and we're going to remember those hand movements, right? So the first one was endless. And when we said endless, we said on and on, right? On and on. So if something is endless, remember it goes on and on and on. So let's go ahead and look at the word endless. I like going to the movie theater because they have endless popcorn, and that means it just keeps coming and coming. Can you think of something that's endless? Maybe water, right? What's something that's endless? So I'm going to say endless popcorn. This one is a little bit silly. And I'm going to draw some popcorn in the case. And everybody's going to say endless, on and on and on and on. Now we have our next one, experiment. We love doing experiments. So I'm going to draw an experiment bottle. And this little boy was doing an experiment with a plant. He wanted to see how something would grow. And does sunlight make a difference? And so I think it does. So I'm going to draw some tools down here. Okay. And then I'm going to do my hand movement. Experiment, right? Experiment and endless. Okay. Now we have our next word. And our next word, I'm going to move this down just a tiny bit. Oh, when you go ahead and you do a test and you get 100%, that means it is perfect, right? So, gum, game, glue, 100%. That means it is perfectly perfect. So we love it when we get a perfect on our test. And so do you remember? We're going to go ahead for perfect and we're going to go very good. So perfect, experiment, endless. Now let's look at the next one. Now this one is similar. So similar is kind of like a scale, right? If we were to balance something, if we were to balance a square and we had a circle and they were the same weight, they're both shapes, they're both the same size, that is very similar. Similar. So actually, I'm going to make this a rectangle because a rectangle is very similar to a square. It's just a little bit longer, right? It's got two longer sides instead of equal sides. So similar. And our last word that we're going to do is going to be sort. So remember how they said that they were sorting the laundry? Well, I'm going to think of something that I can sort, and I'm going to say, when I can go ahead and I can sort all the circles together, and I can sort all the triangles together. Okay, so this is sorting. I'm going to sort my shapes. Very good. All right, well, we're getting ready to read a story and we need to know this vocabulary. So the first word we have, endless, right? Endless. Then we have experiment. Then we have perfect. Then we have similar. And the last one we have is sort. All right, don't forget these words because we're going to get ready for our story next.